to day 13 of my weight loss test on fruit. I'm losing weight on fruit. Yes, it can be done. Waist is about the same as last time. Hips are saying 37, about the same as last time. Thighs have gone down 20 3/4, so they've gone down about a quarter. And I know why. It's because yesterday I was doing some of these. These are really great for your thighs. Come as far down as you can. And you just kind of hold it here. Make sure your ankles and your knees are aligned. Press it out. Sway it out. This really tightens up your glutes, burns all the fat off your thighs. It's great exercise. So basically just hover like this as long as you can. So I think that's why my thighs are smaller today, is because I was doing those yesterday. See what the scale says. I just ate, so $133.6. So that's a very big fluctuation from yesterday. But I ate only raw food today. So I don't know, weight can be a crazy thing. So I'm shrinking in my measurements, but my weight is just fluctuating to about 2 pounds. So, but overall I'm feeling good. I have been eating completely raw. So I'm trusting that I'm not eating anything bad. And not giving into cravings. Very proud of myself. And just still eating raw fruits. Got a bunch of strawberries. Coconut. I'm about to break this thing open. Why don't I do it right now? I'll show you how I do it. Grab a hammer. Grab something to protect your hand with. So I've already drained the coconut and drank the juice. You want to do that first before you break it open. I'll do that in another video. But since I'm about to do this, I'll just demonstrate right now. So you lay it where the smooth part is facing towards you and the little tail and the poles are going out to either side. And you just crack it. Protect your fingers because when it starts to crack open, it'll start to pinch your skin. And that's why I use something to protect my hand. Here we go. So I could break it into smaller pieces if I wanted to. But, yummy. Love the smell of coconut. Once you start eating this in its raw state, you just get hooked. So good. And then I just take a knife and start at the edge, carve in a little semicircle. It's hard to do standing up. Press all the way down and you just twist your wrist, pop it out. Make sure there's no bits of shell on it. There usually is a brown layer, but that's edible. Delicious. burning properties. This is such a great thing for your teeth too, because it's very, very tough. It's like a tough, for lack of a better comparison, a really tough piece of animal that hasn't been coated with tenderizer chemicals. So it forces you to chew and chew and chew and chew, which is excellent for dental hygiene. Is as you chew, your mouth produces saliva, and saliva cleans your teeth. Chewing also strengthens your jawbones and your teeth. Very good. Great for your skin. So I'm going off on a tangent about coconuts. I was going to do a whole video dedicated to coconut. But, very yummy. Definitely a staple of my diet. I eat this almost every day. One more piece and then I'll put it down. So good. So I'm feeling good. So my thighs are the only thing that's smaller from yesterday. But I'm feeling good because at least something is smaller. My weight is still fluctuating. I'm still in the 130s. But I'm not too worried about it because I am continuing to lose inches. And I'm going to be kicking in some more abdominal muscles. I'm doing a little bit of abdominal on the pole, but I'm going to really start doing like some full long sets of abdominal targeting exercises because I really want to shrink my waist fast. I have a long way to go on my waist. I started at 28 inches and I want to get down to 24 inches. So that's 4 inches I have to lose off my waist. I know it looks like I'm going to be really small, but it really isn't that much. I mean, it won't look strange when I get down to that size. So I'm feeling good, and just continuing with eating raw, and eating raw is getting easier and easier. And just keep all the foods that you love around you. And when you run out of food, you start to get hungry, that can cause problems. Then you're just going to be like, man, I don't care, I'm just going to go get some fast food or whatever. Get some takeout. Eat cooked food. And if you live with someone who keeps it in the kitchen, that makes it extra hard. But actually, it's more of a challenge. Really, the ultimate way to conquer this way of eating and this way of living is to find that strength within yourself. You have to cross that threshold and be able to resist it in any situation. So if you can resist it even when you live with it in your kitchen, then you know you've really got it conquered. So just stay at it. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.